uCertify offers Cisco CCNA routing and switching certification prep for IT network practitioners. So, start your prep for the Cisco CCNA routing and switching certification exam from today with uCertify. To be Cisco CCNA certified professional, you will have to pass 200105 and 200125 exams. The Cisco CCNA ICND2 200105 exam demonstrates competency in following domains: WAN technologies, routing technologies, infrastructure security, infrastructure services, network fundamentals, infrastructure management, LAN switching technologies. In uCertify course, you will be receiving 1 in 91 practice questions. It includes 40 lessons with interactive learning resources such as over 577 flashcards, 148 quizzes, and 577 glossary of terms. The course has 2 sets of practice tests and more than 180 performance-based labs. Finally, once you achieve a readiness score of 90% or more, you will receive the certificate of course completion from uCertify. Upon course completion, you will be able to understand quality of services, IPv4 routing in LAN, LAN troubleshooting, VLAN trunking protocol, spanning tree protocol concept, and the troubleshooting IPv4 routing. To explore more about the uCertify titles and their features, please visit www.ucertify.com/exams/Cisco/ICND2 200105 complete. You can call us on 415-763-6300 or reach us by an email sales@ucertify.com.